preview. Downloading the software to your desktop takes less than 10 minutes. The next stage is to simply enter your special activation code you have been sent and your software is live. Then follow the on-screen step-by-step instructions. Fill in the blanks and you can have your money-making websites up in less than 10 minutes. Try to do this manually and it could literally take days. G-Sneak is the automation tool you've been waiting for all this time. Quite frankly, the tool you can't be without. And there's full support and video tutorials for any questions, no matter how big or small that you may have. Andrew and Chris showed me some more of their accounts. Again, I was amazed how these guys generated such autopilot income. Beyond a shadow of a doubt, these systems really do work. What's crazy is they seem to ignore conventional wisdom and do the opposite of what the supposed experts are teaching. What amazed me was that in just 11 clicks of the mouse, you were up and running with professional, traffic-sucking websites in any niche you required. One thing's for sure, without the software, you'd be dead in the water before you even started. Doing everything manually would take hours, days perhaps, even weeks to research your niches, write articles, building links, and there's no guarantee it would even work. G-Sneak does everything automatically for you in 11 clicks. It will give the crowd something they've never seen before. Now you can forget the stress of regular marketing, with G-Sneak taking care of it all for you. You can spend more time doing what you want. Promote any affiliate product you want and make serious money. You don't have to shy away from the big markets or worry about traffic costs or anything like that. You'll see how simple it is to make money from free autopilot traffic. Give yourself a pay rise whenever you feel like it. You're never more than 11 clicks away from a completely new stream of income, and you can do it literally whenever you want to. Get unlimited hungry buying traffic for no cost at all. There's no traffic more powerful than people already wanting your promoting, and G-Sneak will make sure they come running every single time. Finally, own the kind of business that gives you the freedom and the income you've been looking for, and you don't need any special skills, any experience, and you'll need less cash to get started than you've probably got in your wallet right now. Now, one of the most common questions Andrew and Chris get is, will it work in other niches outside internet marketing? Absolutely. In fact, I was blown away by this case study. This website was built by the G-Sneak software on the topic of single parenting advice. The software was able to detect this was an easy niche to dominate, and while not as big as internet marketing, was still a good money earner. Chris and Andrew were earning between $500 to $1,000 a month autopilot passive income without doing anything, 100% done from free traffic. They then listed it on Flipper.com, a free website which costs you nothing to list your website on. And bam, it sold in 24 hours for $9,000 instantly. Now that's what I call easy money. Do you know the best part though? It takes most people just over 10 minutes the first time they ever use it. But after just a little practice, you'll be churning out money-making sites in just a couple of minutes. It's all done for you. Once you click that mouse 11 times, this magic box will go to work for you with no further human input. You're basically getting a push-button solution for all your traffic income and business building needs. So think about that. Could you spare 20 minutes a day to put together 3 or 4 sites at a time if each one was going to make you a nice passive income? Of course you could. If you look at it this way, you're just 220 clicks and 8 or 9 hours away from an incredible hands-free business. For 20 minutes a day, that sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Now, I know you may be wondering why on earth would Andrew and Chris share this Sneak software with anyone and not just keep it to themselves? Well, I'll tell you that in just a moment. First, you need to know some cold, hard facts. The internet is bigger and growing faster than ever before. In fact, Comscore.com reported a 10% increase in people buying online, taking the figure close to $34 billion in a quarter. That's just in 3 months. In just the UK alone, 7.8 billion was spent online in July 2010. More and more people are getting connected to the internet every single year, and only a small handful of people are serving them and cashing in hard. In fact, there's 1.9 billion people on the internet today. That's a lot of people online buying a lot of stuff. Do you not think it's time you cashed in? Well, Andrew and Chris think so too. There are unlimited niches that you can enter and dominate, and it would be virtually impossible for them to do it by themselves. So they are willing to share their Snyk software with a select number of individuals to help you get started. However, I have to warn you, due to the highly sensitive nature of the G-Snyk software and its incredible abilities, I doubt Andrew and Chris will keep it open for long. In fact, there's a chance you could see a sold out sign beside this video at any moment. If you want to download the Snyk software to your computer now, just click Add to Cart button now, and you could be building your money-making sites in less than 10 minutes from now. And as a final reminder, you don't need previous experience. You don't need to wait for months to see success. You don't need to wait weeks to make money. You don't need an email list. You don't need to spend crazy amounts on advertising and traffic. You don't need to spend hours on Twitter or Facebook. And yes, you can download the software in less than 10 minutes from now. But I've got more for you. If you're quick enough to act, we're going to include an incredible fast action bonus called the Ultimate G-Power Theme, an incredibly powerful and versatile custom-built WordPress theme that turbocharges the traffic to your website. The simple fact of the matter is, we want you to be successful. Andrew and Chris not only wanted but actually insisted that we guaranteed your success. So go ahead and try G-Snyk right now, and you've got 60 days, that's 8 whole weeks to try it out. You can literally do what you want with it for those 8 weeks. Try my 20-minute a day method, or you can even use the things all day, every day. There are no limitations and nothing is closed off. Build as many sites as you want, generate as much money as you want. You get access to the whole thing for all that time. And if you're unhappy during that period, let me know and I'll get you your cash back. No questions, no arguments, just a quick, friendly refund. I won't make you jump through any hoops or anything like that. Just shoot me a quick email at support@gsnyk.com and I'll see you get your refund almost immediately. And you know what else? You'll get to keep all the sites you created with Google Snyk even after I've refunded your cash. And we'll let you keep the G-Fast Action Bonus Ultimate G-Power Theme, which cost us $2,000 to develop for free. And that's how serious we are about customer service. You see, I know this system will help you, so I'm not afraid to put my money where my mouth is. Click the Add to Cart button and you can download this software to your computer in less than 10 minutes. So now it's decision time. You've seen how much money this system is making Andrew and Chris. You've seen how other people have had success with it. And you've seen how you could be potentially making money in just 10 or 12 minutes from now. It's time to make a choice. Are you in or are you out? This is probably your only chance. Demand has been huge and I'm already very close to selling out. You know how you always knew that you were destined for something better in life? A better income, a better home, more time to have fun. Well, you were right, and here's your chance to get those things. And remember, if you don't jump on this today, you're just resigning yourself to the same old life you've always lived. If you keep doing the same stuff you've always done, you're going to get the same results you've always had. To get more, to get past this, you need to do something different. So here's your chance. Click the Add to Cart button beside me now and I'll help you get all the success you've ever wanted. That super low price makes this a complete no-brainer. Where else can you build money-making websites that are completely ready to go in just 10 minutes? It would cost you hundreds of dollars to have just one of these sites built. Or you could do it manually and it would take hours, probably days to get it done. But it still wouldn't be anywhere near as effective as the sites you'll be creating with this cutting-edge money-generating technology called G-Snyk. Isn't it worth a tiny one-off payment to be able to create money-making sites at will? Of course it is. Your payment will be processed through ClickBank using state-of-the-art secure 128-bit encryption technology. And you're 100% covered by our no-quibble money-back guarantee. Not to mention, you can keep the Fast Action Bonus Ultimate G-Power theme to say thanks for trying us out. Hit the Add to Cart button right now and you could be downloading your new software in less than 10 minutes. Thanks for listening. I hope to see you on the other side.